What up, everyone? I'm gonna show everybody today how I make my RealLaAngel T-shirts with my print, with my screener print. So basically, what I do is I get some tape, tape my shirt down. You all grab your screen. You want to center it on the shirt. Alright, once you have your design centered or in a comfortable position, you want to do, grab your paint, grab this. Then you want to dab some paint across the screen. Not too much, not too little. You want to hold down. Have this at an angle. You want to swipe it down. You want to do it a couple times. It's better if you have somebody else holding it. You do it a couple times. You want to do the final pass. Now once you put the print on it, you want to wash all this off. Any excess paint, you can put it inside your bucket. Save your paint. So you got your t-shirt ready. You want to let your t-shirt dry. You can air dry it. You cure it by the sun. You cure it with a light, or you cure it with some heat. You know, still learning. So if any turns come in, you put them down there in the comments or anything. But this is how I do my shirts. All right, y'all. So now take off the tape. Make sure you save your pieces of tape. You can use it on the next shirt. So here's the final design. Came to. So y'all, I showed y'all how I make my black shirts with the white design. I'm gonna show you how I make the white shirt with the black design. Same thing, different color. Even, nice, okay. So I get my paint. I want to put a lot, but not too much. Make sure you go across the whole screen. Since I moved it, we're gonna leave it. That's 1, 2. You want to hit it with your good number 3. I hit it with another one, just to be safe. That piece.